Okay, so you drill a hole first with a drill bit. Okay, you don't want it in the middle. You want it on the side, and then after that, you're gonna put a drywall screw to hold the plywood. Okay, so there's gonna be your plywood holding the spacer. Make sure the hole that you drill before it lines up with the plywood. That way you can actually screw it. So you see. Okay, so now you guys can see the screw is here, but it's not all the way in the middle. It's actually on the side. Okay, and it's holding the plywood already. So that's the spacer. That way our vacuum cleaners can go under the couches. And we don't want to damage the floor, so this metal here of the head of the screw sticking out a little. So we're gonna put this nails with the plastic head back in the center, back here in the center, to protect it from scratching the floor. What are you looking for? And that's how it's done. That's how you drill first before you put your drywall screw there to hold the wood. Okay. Right, you want to use a drill bit. Then after that, you just get your drywall screw, line it up with the hole, and tie it. And make sure it goes deep enough. Okay? Don't worry about not going too deep into the wood, because that's the purpose of this, like I was telling you guys before. This nail here has a head that is plastic. But what he's going to do next is he's going to be actually drilling a hole in the plywood. Okay, my mistake, I used the wrong word when I say drilling. He's gonna be nailing a hole in the plywood, but he's just gonna use a regular nail because he doesn't want to use the nail with the plastic head because he might damage that. So he's gonna use a regular nail just to be drilling just to be making a hole there. So there's gonna be a pilot hole there. So that nail is gonna go all the way down, almost all the way down. You want to make sure that nail goes straight. You always want to make sure that nail goes straight. That's the purpose of holding it with the pliers, to make sure it goes straight. If it doesn't go straight, then you have a problem. You need to make sure that nail goes straight. Now, goes in. Perfect. Okay? So that's the purpose of using the nail before you actually put that nail with the plastic head. Okay? Because if you start hitting that plastic head, you're going to damage it. Thank you guys.